Okay, so as explained by webaim.org, headings, a heading describes the content that follows it, much like a news headline. When arriving at a new page, sighted users gravitate toward headings to quickly find what they want on the page. Screen reader and other assistive technology users can also skip from heading to heading. So Moodle uses headings in other areas of the site, just like most sites do, and therefore you should generally start with heading 3 when building content. It is important that headings go in order, basically from H1 to H2 and H3, that they're semantically. With other editors, you typically follow an H1, H2, and H3. And if you look at the code when you're building content, you'll actually see those heading tags. Now, heading tags in the proper order also help assistive technology users know the hierarchy of the content. So a title or a main heading is more of an overarching of the content below than a heading 3, for example.